Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome to your Turkish journey. Today, we're going to learn how to form positive nominal sentences in the heard past tense. Please always remember, we are talking about nominal sentences. The sentences whose predicate is not a conjugated verb, but a nominal, such as noun, adjective, or an adverb. With this tense of the copulative verb, we are mainly talking about something we have not witnessed, but we have heard from someone else or realized afterwards. That is why this can also be called inferential. And sometimes you can also see that it is called the indefinite past tense of the copulative verb. For example, when we say Ahmet bir öğretmendi. Ahmet bir öğretmendi. You know from the previous videos that this means Ahmet was a teacher. And this is something that you already know. And today, what we are going to learn is this form. Ahmet bir öğretmenmiş. Ahmet bir öğretmenmiş. As you would understand, this miş, which is attached to öğretmen, is the copulative verb suffix for today's topic. In many places, you will see the translation of this sentence like this. Ahmet was a teacher, like the previous sentence. However, this copula, miş, at the end of öğretmen indicates that the speaker did not know that Ahmet was a teacher. He or she has learned it from someone else or may have realized it somehow. For example, when people talk about other people like gossip, mostly this tense is used, since you hear this information from someone else. Ahmet öğretmenmiş ve bekarmış. Ahmet öğretmenmiş ve bekarmış. The proper translation of this sentence could be like this, with the meaning of the heard past tense copula. I heard that Ahmet is a teacher and he is single. Normally, the proper translation of this tense should always begin with I heard that, I learned that, it is said that, it seems, I was told that type of beginnings, since what you say is basically what you learned or heard. This tense is used in many different ways, but today we're going to keep it simple. Even though this tense is referred as past tense for nominals, it is also used for explanations for the present time. You will see this in the examples. For the background and introduction to this topic, you should go and watch Introduction to the Copulative Verb video. You will find the link in the description. Now, let's dive into some technical details and then see some examples. Sercan yalnız imiş. Sercan yalnız imiş. Sercan, it's me, the subject of the sentence. And imiş is the heard past tense conjugation of the copulative verb. I is the verb stem and miş is the heard past tense suffix. I am not covering the details of this since you can find this information in the Introduction to the Copulative Verb video. And yalnız means alone. Yalnız. This sentence with this tense structure means I heard that Sercan is or was alone. Again, this is something that you heard or learned from someone else or realized by yourself. As you already know, to show you the background of this topic, I always write the copulative verb part separate from the nominal while explaining this to you. But nowadays, the copulative verb is always attached to the nominal. Sercan yalnızmış. Sercan yalnızmış. As I said, the copulative verb is attached to the nominal, in this case, yalnız, and the copulative verb stem I always drops. Sercan yalnızmış. Sercan yalnızmış. And, as usual, the vowel of the copula changes depending on the vowel harmony. So, it could be mış, miş, muş, or müş. Another example. Pencere kapalıymış. Pencere kapalıymış. When my daughter speaks with her mom and her mom tells her that she's in the supermarket and she will be back home in 10 minutes, then my daughter tells this to me like this. Baba, annem süpermarketteymiş. 10 dakika sonra evdeymiş. Baba, annem süpermarketteymiş. 10 dakika sonra evdeymiş. So far, we have used the third singular person for these couple of examples. Therefore, as we have already learned as a general rule, for the third singular person, there is no person suffix that is attached to the copula. However, when we talk about the other personal pronouns, the person suffixes will be attached to the copulative verb. Now, let's see this for all personal pronouns. Ben yalnızmışım, sen yalnızmışsın, o yalnızmış, biz yalnızmışız, siz yalnızmışsınız, onlar yalnızmışlar, or onlar yalnızmış. And even though it is used rarely, you may even hear this for the third plural person. Onlar yalnızlarmış. Now, let's see additional examples. Hasan çok başarılı bir öğrenciymiş. Hasan çok başarılı bir öğrenciymiş. Fizik sınavı çok kolaymış. Fizik sınavı çok kolaymış. Damla dün evdeymiş. Damla dün evdeymiş. Pelin çok mutluymuş. Pelin çok mutluymuş. Akşam yemeğinde çorba varmış. Akşam yemeğinde çorba varmış. Alright guys, I hope you learned something interesting today. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.